If you're a heavy sleeper or you're someone that has multiple alarms to wake up in the morning, then I have the solution for you. I recently received Clocky and I'm going to be showing you what separates this alarm from the rest. As you can see, this is what Clocky looks like. It actually has like human-like features, I think. It simply has these two buttons right here and then this right here, and it kind of looks like it has a little face. This is a great option if you're a heavy sleeper. You simply set the alarm, and you're going to see, I'm going to include a clip of how Clocky works. It will just make sure you set it somewhere near, and it's going to, once it rings, it's going to take off and wake you up. It will not stop until you make it stop. So there's no choice in not getting up because you're simply going to do it. So I'm going to include how loud it is and what it does when it's in action. As you can see on the top here, it does have the snooze, so you're able to snooze it, and it has the different options to go ahead and set it up. But overall, I'd highly recommend this. Is great for yourself, great for a gift, or anyone that you know that is having trouble waking up. You could definitely use Clocky.